Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some exciting products to share with you today. Now, I'm sure you've already seen the club video of the fun sloths that we just released, but you know what? I decided they needed friends. So this is the club set, but they really needed some more friends and some more sayings, right? So here we go. What do we have here? We have two cute little sloths that are kind of like on their tummies, and a small one and a big one, and we have a lot of fun words. So we have sorry I'm so slow, let's chill, take it slow and enjoy the day, happy belated birthday, thank you so much, I have your back, don't hurry, be happy. Now I'll be honest, sloths are Katie's, my daughter's, best favorite, most excited. She loves sloths, and she got to meet one when she was a little girl at Discovery Cove in Florida, and she fell in love with how slow they are. So we're kind of doing this set for her. Now, of course, there's dies that match, and that is not the right one. Let me find the right one. This is the one that it matches, and I even added in some die words in there that say hang in there with a shadow die as well, which is really fun, and I have a lot of great samples to share with you. But as I designed these fun sloths, and I just thought, oh my gosh, you know how sometimes what happens is I get started designing and I'm like, wait, but I need this, and oh, I need that, and oh, I need that. That's how these extra sets are always born, because I'm like, well, I want this, and no, gosh, no, I need this. Okay. Well, I decided I needed a tree Foldit. But not just any tree Foldit. So see how cute that little sloth hangs from that tree branch? This Foldit is 5 by 7 in size when folded. Now, what does that mean? That means, and this is going to psh a little bit, okay? That means for a 5 by 7 card, when you folded it in half, when you fold your cardstock in half, let me get a piece of cardstock. When you fold a piece of cardstock in half, right, we're going to fold this in half, 8.5 by 11. This is now 5 by 5, right? 5 by 5 right here. Well, my die, if I wanted it to fold at the side, well, I'd be fine, right? Because my whole card would fit there. My whole die would fit there. But what if I wanted it to be at the top? Look, my die does not fit there, and then we're sad, right? And then we're not happy. And if I folded it the other way, it's certainly not going to work, right? If I folded it this way, well, that's not going to work. That's not going to, again, I could almost probably fit the side, but not the top. So guess what I did? I went to my paper factory, and I said, I need bigger cardstock. This is a standard size cardstock. This is bigger. This is now available on our website. Look at how much longer it is. Why? Because 5 by 7 cards are coming even more. Just saying, you heard it here first. We're going big. Go big or go home, right? We're going big. And in order to go big, we need bigger cardstock. Now, I know the first thing you're going to say is, well, I want this in orange. No. I want this in red. No. I want this in rainbow. No. It's going to only probably, right, especially for right now, come in white, okay? If you guys fall madly in love with it and sales just ricochet into the sky, maybe we'll consider bringing in some more neutrals. But right now we're going to just start with white. So what you're going to do, and it's the cheapest. White is going to be the cheapest because colors cost more. We're going to fold this in half. Look at this. Look at the size difference. This is fantastic. Now, of course, if you were getting serious, you would definitely have a bone folder handy. So we're just going to use that. Now, look at this. This is changing the way we make cards. Look at that. Big difference. Guess what? My Foldit is now going to fit. So if I wanted it to fold at the top, especially on this one, because look at it. Hang on, let me open it up. Look at this one. If we did, let me peel this off. If we did this on the side, that's really just not, now it does, I think it does even say place fold here. You could place fold here. You don't want to do that, okay? You don't want to do that. No. Only do this one at the top, okay? Only do this one at the top. As you can see, it's going to perfectly lay there, and you are going to run this through. So what we're going to do, now remember, this would have never fit up here at the top, and it does not make sense to do this on the side. Do not do this one on the side. It doesn't make sense. Do it, right, or on this side even. It doesn't make sense. You want it up at the top on this one. That's why you want the bigger cardstock. So we're going to lay this down, and we're going to lay this down. You might every once in a while, I'll even be able to fit 2 on here. Let's see. I don't know. If you turn it, oh, let's try. We're going to try. So we're going to lay this all the way up to the side. We have, now, how do we do this? It says place fold here at the top. We're going to exaggerate it at first, so you can see that, right? I want to make sure you can see it. I'll bring it in more. Okay, so I'm going to exaggerate it at first, but then I'm going to bring, this is my fold. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, so I'm just having a little bit show. Now, I'm going to run that through, and can I use a smaller cutting pad? I bet you I can. Look at that. I'm going to lay that down, and we're going to run that through, and you know what? This is a very tight machine. This is a brand new machine, so it's still a little tight. So now we're going to run this through, if it's going to let me. Maybe. There we go. Run that baby through. And we're going to get this nice, awesome, and it's one of my cutting, when one of your cutting pads is crooked, it's not a good thing. Okay, there we go. So now, dun, 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 what we have, look at this, my friends. Dun, 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 dun. Are you like, ah? No, I am. I'm like, ah. Okay, so that's one. Now, just for kicks, I want to see if I could fit another one. If I turn this paper over, oh, it's so close. It's so close. It might not be able to. Bummer. We tried. Oh. If we turn it, well, I don't think it's going to work. Bummer. But we still have lots of paper. Now, let's say you're saying, okay, that tree is really cute, but that is ugly. That flat spot, I agree. So what you're going to do is you're going to get another piece of paper, and here is if you want like a darker color, like let's say you're like, I wish that was brown. And let's see if Stephanie can find some brown. I bet you she won't be able to. Just speak. Oh, wait, here. Oh, here. Oh, look at that. Ginger Snap to the rescue. Oh, actually, well, let's just use Ginger Snap. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the whole enchilada, the whole die, regular die cut. Regular, normal, just ever so slow. Now, please keep in mind, let's make sure we're all together here. Please keep in mind, I want you to remember that I'm going wrong. Am I going the right way? What's going on? I just opened this machine, so it's not liking the platform. You got to let it really oil itself. But I don't want you to forget, Foldit cards are perfect for scrapbooking layouts also. They're the perfect size. What I have here, get ready for this, my friends, is I have a tree, just a regular die cut, and I'm going to lay it right on top of that, and I'm going to adhere it so you can see it. Let's get some adhere. I'm going to add some adhesive to this because I want you to see how awesome this is. So if you don't like that little icky up there, we're going to lay this down right on top because it's going to layer perfectly, right? And now you don't see that fold line. So now remember how you were saying, oh, I wish that was brown paper that she was cutting up for the card? Look, I fixed it, right? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Now we can decorate our card. Now, I want you to see how awesome all my cards are that my team made for these because they're so fun. So first, let's look at the sloth. Now, you can see that the sloth is definitely going to match this tree, right? But wait till I show you some samples. This is from my HSN shaker card kit. Here's another shaker card. My team really got excited. Oh, lost a die. My team really likes those shaker cards. Now, let's look at the trees. Are you ready for this? Okay, first of all, this one wins. Vanessa wins my favorite award. It has our little honey bear, and it has our little beehive. Can we just take a moment to acknowledge how awesome this is? Isn't that fantastic? Open it. You're the very best. Isn't that adorable? And you get, with the tree, I mean, I didn't even tell you all the dies you get. This cuts out separate, so you can do different colors if you wanted to. So here's an example. If you wanted to do different colors. It also comes with the cute little nest. It comes with the little bird. It comes with the little apple. It also comes with acorns. And it comes with that little flower. It comes with leaves. And, oh, little eggs to go in the nest. I'm excited about that. Okay, this one, perfect for back to school. Now, this one is done on the side. And you definitely can do it on the side if you want to. Either way, this one's with our cute little wheelbarrow. Oh my goodness gracious. What about a tire swing? Let's make a tire swing easy peasy with a scallop circle and a regular circle. Isn't that adorable? With the cute little bird. Oh my gosh, that bird is adorable. Open that. Isn't that fun with our fence die? Ooh, that fence die. Oh look, both team members did the fence at the bottom. So get that fence if you don't have, most of you already have the fence, but isn't that cute? Now look at how cute that little bird is in those darn nests. They're so cute. And ooh, use your pattern paper that has the wood grain. Isn't that exciting? And then here's another cute one. This is a perfect winter one. And oops, the little guy got pushed off to the side. But look, he's hanging. He made a little swing. Isn't that cute? Woohoo. So club members, of course, you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you are missing out, and we need you to join because you are going to have so much fun and you're going to love it. Also, do you follow us on Facebook and Instagram? Go check those out as well. And we also have a Facebook fan page that's on Facebook. We don't run it, but April and Michelle run it, and they do a fantastic job. So go check that out too. You get to share your projects and fun things there about the Stamps of Life. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.